Hi guys, Nick here with BitGalaxis and bringing you a Friday update, and this really isn't going to be much of a game dev update so much as just kind of a discussion about some things going on. In my game, all I've done is added some audio for when I fire my lasers, and I'm playing around with using some scriptable objects to manage a lot of things, and so I'm just testing all that right now, and I don't have much to show you in regards to that because it's not really fully fleshed out. And I think in the next video, what I'm going to focus on is actually uh, building up the interface to get a score and actually having some damage. So next week, I think Monday, I'll probably work on getting a video up that shows when we hit something and actually having it get hit, take damage, and having ourselves take some damage if I can get my AR smart enough to actually hit me. Because as you can tell right now, they kind of just follow me around like lost puppies and don't really get a good shot. Gonna work on that, have that next video, and then the video after, which may be that Friday, next Friday, we'll probably have our health actually on display, and then some other UI elements such as trying to help us locate the position of the enemies. And I may reduce these asteroids a little bit. That's actually just a setting. It generates randomly. Oh, one of them actually hit me for once. Oh, and notice how they all stop flying whenever there's no enemy. So, yeah, and that's pretty much it. Oh, and you can tell I have a big error here because I killed myself and I didn't have any kind of scripting to address when my ship has been destroyed. So, a lot of things to continue working on here, and we'll get there. Just haven't had as much time this week to get through the things I wanted to, I was hoping to, but a few things happen in life that kind of have delayed me on that, and I still wanted to get you an update. So keep an eye out for those next week's videos. Again, on Monday, probably posting something about having damage, actually destroying our enemies. Maybe I'll get some explosion animations in, but I think the focus is to actually show we can do some damage and destroy, and maybe even kick something back if it gets hit. And then on Friday, probably getting the UI for our player health and also locating enemies. So anyway, that's all I've got for tonight, guys. I'll see you next week, and thank you for watching.